In the monsoon-drenched landscapes of India, great floods once consumed entire villages, leaving communities in turmoil. Amidst such chaos, Kalu, a seemingly ordinary village dog, emerged as a beacon of hope. When the rivers overflowed, he acted swiftly, detecting trapped villagers and guiding rescue teams through dangerous waters. His keen senses and relentless actions saved dozens, turning him into a local hero overnight. Today, villagers recount Kalu's bravery as a tale of inspiration, illustrating the profound impact and unwavering spirit of a devoted canine. His story remains a testament to the unique bond between dogs and humans in times of crisis.